I just need to make extra. You don't need to make extra anymore. Why not? Because you already had some, Caine. What? I have to make extra. Okay. If you wanted, you didn't have any on Monday? No, because I ate pizza. Wait, you didn't have pizza, right? Yes, I do. Okay. And I just already ate sausage right there. Well, okay. So everything's going good, right? Everything's going good, yeah. Okay. Well, if that's your choice, I can relate it to that. Okay. I'm making chicken strips for myself. Okay. How is school, Caine? School's pretty good, I guess. Okay. So about about on Saturday today. Really? Yeah. Looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Are you okay, Kate? Yeah, okay. Oh, good. I feel so good today. Yeah.